Hello, my name is Mette Skovgaard and I'm the project coordinator for this EU-funded project called Circular Construction in Regenerative Cities. The aim of this course is to train the students and to have them, on the one hand, cooperate within different expertises and also to train them to work with circular construction.
Today is actually our first day out here. We met our groups and we actually harvested materials from which we're gonna create our project, which is a wall that we're gonna construct. And I'm really excited how it's gonna look.
The container part was a bit messy because we didn't really know what we were gonna build. And then we just started thinking about, okay, what do we need for a wall? So first rain, wind, vapor. So that were the three main topics we had to find some materials for. We're designing a wall to attach to a already existing concrete structure. So we had to think about how are we gonna assemble it onto that structure and how are the forces going to be transferred to the concrete. The subject of this particular project was to design something that we could assemble and disassemble again, quite easy, so it can be reused.
We took the disassembly part quite serious and we did a modular system. We have separate parts which can be taken apart from each other and they kind of fit together. We have tiles in the middle here covering the different modules. If we remove the middle tiles here, we can detach the entire structural system from each other.
Everything here is made from the reusable materials that we found in the container, except for the vapor barrier and our insulation. Working with the reusable materials has been a little bit of a challenge to get the dimensions right, so they would actually work in the real world. These dimensions, we were pretty lucky to find something that has enough thickness to fit the installation that a building needs, not to be too cold.
We are only students and we actually come out here and use our hands and our brains and try to create something that's not just written on paper, but actually in reality.
Normally I'm an engineering architect, so I'm all about the creative side of things. But then when you talk to a carpenter, he can really say oh, we can do it like this, but not like how you drew it. So you get to rethink things and put everything together, and that's how you kind of finish off with something better than what you expected and what the carpenter suggested at first.